As BTC surges through $23,500 resistance, here is where BTC is headed in terms of price. Next. Recently, Bitcoin broke through the $23,500 barrier level and is currently climbing to new heights. Many investors are unsure of Bitcoin's future direction as its price keeps rising. In this piece, we'll look at a few things that might have an immediate impact on its price and speculate on where it might go. Bitcoin started trading at $23,746 on January 30th and has experienced considerable volatility over the last day. It is currently being traded for $23,238 and has decreased by about 0.92%. In the same time frame, BTC USD hit a maximum value of $23,784 and a minimum value of $23,110. However, throughout the previous week, it has still seen a general growth of more than 2%. What does a record high in Bitcoin difficulty mean for crypto investors? The difficulty of mining Bitcoins reached an all-time high on January 29th. The total difficulty rose from 37.59 trillion to 39.35 trillion as a result of this 4.68% rise in difficulty, setting a new record high. The challenges involved in mining Bitcoin have significantly increased recently by 48%. This is due to the measurement of difficulty that was recorded on January 21st of last year, which was 26.64 trillion. By raising the level of difficulty, a blockchain becomes more secure since it makes it much more difficult for attackers to be successful in their attacks. Additionally, it is more difficult to mine new blocks as the mining difficulty rises compared to the overall hash rate. Even if miners must put in more effort, the difficulty of mining Bitcoin rises as the network's security improves. Additionally, anytime the number of miners rises, the network size ultimately increases, improving the long-term value of BTC USD. Request for a $6 million Bitmain coupon sale made by Core Scientific. According to court documents, Core Scientific, an insolvent Bitcoin mining company, filed an urgent appeal on January 25 to sell Bitmain coupons valued at $6.6 million. In order to acquire permission to sell off Bitmain vouchers that are no longer necessary for their business, Core Scientific has applied to the court. They have submitted an application to the Houston Division of the Southern District of Texas Bankruptcy Court in this regard. Despite having Bitmain coupons valued at $6 million, Core Scientific is having some issues. These product-specific coupons cannot be exchanged for cash through Bitmain. Their coupons can only be used to buy S19 miners from Bitmain. Unfortunately, the many conditions listed on the vouchers prevent them from being useful under the current situation. The coupons for Bitmain were scheduled to expire in March or April 2023, when the business anticipates having finished its Chapter 11 bankruptcy reorganization. The company added that it won't add any additional S19 miners during or after Chapter 11's conclusion. Due to their high energy costs, narrowing profit margins, and falling BTC USD exchange rate, Core Scientific, a major American cryptocurrency mining company, was forced to declare for bankruptcy on December 21, 2022. Prepare for increases in interest rates. According to a working paper by Daniel Ringo that Fortune magazine recently cited on Twitter, the Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hikes in an effort to control inflation may be a factor in the widening inequality gap. Investors are closely watching Jerome Powell's post-policy meeting press conference to get a sense of how interest rates may move in the future and when the Federal Reserve may suspend its rate hike. Investors estimate a 0.25% increase in the federal funds rate at the Federal Reserve meeting on February 1 to 4.75%, which will result in a modest rise for the second consecutive meeting. A report from the Labor Department is expected to be released on February 3, and it predicts that 185,000 jobs will be added in January, down from the 223,000 that were reported in December. Prices of BTC USD are predicted to rise as a result of favorable economic developments. Bitcoin price. At $23,258 right now, the price of Bitcoin has dropped more than 1% in the previous day. Its market cap, which is impressively $488 billion, puts it in first place in CoinMarketCap's rankings, with a projected market volume of $26 billion. The BTC USD price is struggling to go over the $24,000 resistance level on the 4-hour time frame and has since dropped to retest the $23,000 support level. If this barrier is broken, the price of Bitcoin might drop to $22,600 or $22,350. The 4-hour timeframe's 50-day moving average serves as the $23,000 support area, and closing candles above this level have the ability to trigger a bullish reversal in the BTC USD market. Think about searching for buying opportunities with a target price of $23,550 or $24,000. Alternatively, if the $23,000 support zone is broken, sell positions might be taken.